everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to make batter bread. Here are all the ingredients that you need to make the batter bread. Whole wheat flour, water, olive oil, syrup, yeast. And we've got some seeds, which are pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, and linseed. But you can adjust the proportion or put other seeds that you like. First, you can preheat the oven and keep it at low temperature. We are going to use it to ferment the bread. So, if the temperature is too high, it will kill the yeast. Basically, you just need to put all the ingredients in a big container. Then, stir it and make sure they mix together equally. The portion of this recipe can make 6 of these boxes. And of course, you can reduce the ingredients and make the portion you want. Then, use the spatula to put our dough into the box. We just need to add some seeds on the top and that's almost done. Last, put them into the oven which is preheated and leave it about 40 minutes to rise to ferment the bread. After 40 minutes, turn up the temperature to 220 degrees and leave it for 20 minutes, and then turn down to 180 degrees for 35 minutes. And here we go, the nice batter bread.